SSP, or slip slip purl, is one of several ways to decrease one stitch in your knitting, and it looks like this. The second stitch here on the right needle was, I did a SSP here. To do one, we first need to slip 2 stitches from the left needle to the right knitwise. Even though we're on the purl side of the work, we still need to slip them knitwise. And what knitwise means is to insert the needle into the stitch as if to knit, but we're simply going to slide it off. So here it is one more time: slip, insert it knitwise, and slide it off to the right needle. And now insert your left needle to the back of those 2 stitches that were just slipped. Oops, here we go. And hold it there. Now your needles are creating a shape of an X. And the last step is to wrap your yarn around the right needle, and you can purl those 2 stitches together. Turn 2 into 1. So let's do that one more time. I'm going to purl 1 stitch. Now I'm going to do an SSP. Don't forget your working yarn needs to be in the front because we are purling. So slip it knitwise, slip 1 more knitwise, insert the left needle back into those same 2 stitches that were just slipped, but through the back. So the left needle here is not in the front, it's through the back. And now we have an X shape. We're going to leave it like that. And now we're going to wrap the yarn around the right needle so we can pop it through and turn 2 stitches into 1. And that is how you do an SSP, or slip slip purl.